Guys, this video is more in depth on the Boxycharm Prime Edition. Premiere box. Okay, so let's just get started. The first item is the Wonder Beauty Overnight Repair Treatment. You see? Nice. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Okay, so here's how it looks. You guys look. You see it's like pinkish color. It's really nice. So it has a nice little button. So cute. Yeah. Okay. Definitely am excited to use this one. Okay. Next one is this. It's by Nail Ink London. It's a lip gloss. I personally do not like lip glosses, but these have like little crystals in them. So cute. Might try them out. I don't know, but that is just really cute. And the next product is the Fenty Beauty. Now, so this is the Rihanna brand. It is in the shade Soft Matte. You guys see that? Let me show you that really quick. And let's open up and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that, how cute. Fenty Beauty is so chic. So this is actually a primer. It's really nice. Let's just try it out. Let's see. I want you guys to see this. Oh, it's nice. It feels like a little moisturizer. Definitely makeup would look very good on top of that. Very excited for this one. Next one, we have the Natasha Denona. This is actually a concealer. It's in the shade 8R. You can see that 8R Red. This one and no, I think it was just this one. That was the one that you get to try for free. I'm not for free, for you get to pick this one out. You get to pick one item from the box, and this is the one I picked. Let me try it on for you. Okay, look at that. It's full coverage, so definitely feels like a full coverage, but definitely looks like full coverage. It doesn't feel like full coverage. It actually feels like a moisturizer. Look at that. That's perfect for under circles, if you guys have that. I'll put that there. And we have, what is this? The Dose of Colors in the shade, it's complicated. Okay, let's see how it is. It kind of looks like it's gonna be some sort of pinkish nude color, but let's take a look. This is how it looks. Nice and chic, nice and pretty. Let's try it out. Yep, it's definitely a nude pinky color. Kind of like a Barbie color. I think this plus the lip gloss would look really nice if you like that sort of, like, yeah. Let's put that there. And the last item that we have is this little thing. So this is the reusable makeup makeup cloths, pads. So the reason it's in this little thing is because once it's dirty, you can just pop it in there, throw it in the washer, and it's clean again. This is how it looks. So what you need to do is you just put any makeup remover on. You just put any makeup remover on it, and then you just wipe, and it's just gonna take everything out. I didn't have much, but see, it took everything off. And looks nice and clean again. And then we just throw it back in the bag, throw it in the washer, and good to go. So then this is the Natural. It's a collab between Luxie and Willow. And all these products are based at $186. I only paid $35 for them. If you like this and would like to see more about this, definitely subscribe, thumbs up. There'll be a link below if you are interested in purchasing and knowing more about Boxycharm. Again, this video is just to inform you of all the products. So if you like and subscribe, thank you.